In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Microsoft Forms QR code. If you want people to open your form instantly with their phones, a QR code is the fastest way to do it. I'll walk you through how to find the built-in QR code for any existing form and share a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Microsoft Forms homepage. Once you're there, look for the area labeled Recent Templates. This section shows forms you've worked on recently, so it's a quick way to get back to the one you need. Go ahead and click into Recent Templates to expand it if it's collapsed. Next, select the recent form you want to share. Clicking on the form opens it in the design view, where you can see your questions and settings. Make sure this is the exact form you want participants to access, since the QR code simply points to this form's link. Now look toward the upper right corner of the screen for the present option. Depending on your screen size or window zoom, you might see it as a button labeled Present. If your window is narrow, you may need to maximize your browser or scroll slightly to spot it. Click Present. This opens a full screen presentation view designed for live sessions and quick sharing. In this view, you'll see a large scannable QR code along with other joining options. This code is unique to your form, and when scanned, it takes people directly to it. Click on the QR code to bring it into focus and make it even easier to scan. At this point, anyone in the room can point their phone's camera at the code. Most modern smartphones recognize QR codes automatically. If not, a free QR scanner app works just fine. As soon as the code is detected, a link will appear on the phone. Tapping it opens your form immediately. A few quick tips to make this smooth. Test the QR code with your own phone once to confirm it opens the correct form. If viewers are having trouble scanning, increase your screen brightness and make the code as large as possible on the display. Also, if participants see a sign-in prompt, your form may be restricted to your organization. Adjust the form's permissions beforehand if you need public access. And that's it. By opening your form, choosing Present, and using the built-in QR code, you can get people into your Microsoft form in seconds. Thanks for watching and happy collecting.